गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। लास्ट क्लास में हमने जेनेटिक कोड को पढ़ा था और जेनेटिक कोड हमें ये बताता है कि अगर कोई पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन बनती है तो उसमें एमिनो एसिड किस सीक्वेंस में जुड़ेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू mRNA। और बिकॉज mRNA हैज़ द कोड दैट डिफाइन द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द एमिनो एसिड इनटू ए पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन। फ्रेंसिक सिक ने जब जेनेटिक कोड को बताया था तभी उसने बता दिया था कि देयर शुड बी ए molecule that join the amino acid at the one end and read the genetic code at the other end, because amino acid have no specificity to combine according to the genetic code, and this molecule is called the adapter molecule. इस molecule को बाद में नाम दिया गया adapter molecule को, and this molecule is a transfer RNA. Transfer RNA is a small, well characterized RNA molecule with key role in protein biosynthesis. It is a single stranded molecule of 73 to 93 nucleotide present in the cytosol and the organelle. The primary structure of the transfer RNA molecule define its secondary structure, that is called the cloverleaf model, because of the intra-strand complementary base pairing. After secondary structure, it has different stems and loop. These stem and loop are called the amino acid arm, anticodon arm, T-Cy arm, and the D arm. Accordingly their function and the presence of the bases in these arms. The amino acid arms join with the amino acid, anticodon arm combine with the mRNA according to complementary base pairing, and the D arm have the 5,6 dihydrouridine, and it is a unusual bases, and T-Cy arm or the pseudouridine arm has unusual bases. The transfer RNA molecule, when combined with the ribosome, it has a special structure called the L-shaped structure or the 3T structure, which is called the functional shape of the transfer RNA. कहने का मतलब यह है कि जब यह फंक्शनल स्टेज में होता है तब यह एल शेप स्ट्रक्चर में होता है, 3D स्ट्रक्चर में होता है, और वही इसकी फंक्शनल स्टेज है. Now we come to the another molecule of the protein synthesis machinery, that is the ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA associate with the set of protein and form the ribosome. Ribosome is also called the protein factory, and it is a complex structure which physically move along the mRNA molecule in a 5' to 3' direction and catalyzes the amino acid assembly of the amino acid into the protein chain. Eukaryotic ribosomes contain 4 different rRNA molecules, that is the 18S, 5.8S, 28S, and 5S rRNA molecule, while the prokaryote has 16S rRNA, 5S rRNA, and 23S rRNA. RNA molecule have several roles in protein synthesis. 28S and 23S RNA molecule have a catalytic role in the form of peptidyl transferase, and in the 60S and the 50S subunit in eukaryote and prokaryote respectively, and 18S and 16S RNA molecule has a recognition role. This is for today. In next class we will study the protein synthesis.